Hi, this is a quick 3-minute video on this.
Hi, this is the third video in the series where we're looking at predicted questions of this year's GCSE. Please do download the worksheet from 3-Minute Maths and have a go at each of the questions for yourself, or alternately stop the video, have a go at the question, then compare your solution. In the previous two videos we completed question number 2, so we're going to start here with question number 3. Okay, so here we are with question number 3, and it talks about creating a two-way table to show the information about boys and girls at a youth club playing table tennis. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write girls and boys on the horizontal. Okay, so I've got girls and boys, and in this particular case then I'm going to have table tennis and not table tennis, okay, and also total as well. Okay, so let's just put totals on each of these different columns. Okay, well, what are we told in the information? So we're told that there are 40 boys and girls, so that's fine, so I can put that into the total column there. And then it says there's 23 girls. Well, if there's 23 girls, that's absolutely fine, I can write that in, but it also means then the difference between 40 and 23 is going to be 17, so there's going to be 17 boys. And then it says 9 girls play table tennis. Well, that's fine, I can put that in, but it also means out of the 23 girls that 14 of them don't play table tennis. And then it says 4 boys do not play table tennis, so that's fine, but there are 17 boys, so therefore it means that 13 must play table tennis. Pretty much that's it then, because then if we add the totals, we've got 22 boys or girls who play table tennis and 18 who don't play table tennis, and that would be the answer to this particular question.
Okay, so I hope the video was useful. Please do add a comment below if you're not sure about anything. I'll always come back to you. Subscribe to the channel. I'll look forward to seeing you inside the next video.